Mob contest. Just text your zip code to Honda or go to civic.vh1.com. Your city could be rocked by a surprise concert. For more exclusive live music, check out VH1.
What's going on?
Not much.
What's the score of that game?
It's tied 2-2.
That's cool. What is that?
What are you talking about?
It's the door.
The door? What?
The door. It opened by
The
itself.
door opened by itself?
Yeah.
Well, it was probably a draft. We live in a drafty house.
Well, that's not cool. I don't like that.
It's just a door. It probably just swung open.
No, I don't care. It's weird. It's almost as weird as you.
Whatever, Dan. Dan, did you just see the lights flicker?
No? What are you talking about?
I don't know. I thought I saw the lights in the kitchen flickering, but probably not.
Yo, can you grab me a drink?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab myself one too.
All right, awesome, thanks.
Hey Dan, what do you want to drink?
Iced tea, please.
Ah!
What is going on? Yo, you alright? Miller. 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 Hey, Miller. Miller.
Dan, I saw a ghost in the kitchen.
You hit your
It was
head.
sitting right
You
at the
hit
kitchen
your head.
table. There
You
was a
hit your
ghost,
head.
Dan. Even you saw the weird stuff earlier.
Yeah, about that.
Let's get out of here!
Ah!
Rock the wall with friends.